Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of XCOM the SHIV War. We just returned from a mission against the Sectopod and friends. We are still waiting on Annette's Cookie Durand to come back from her forced pause or break from her duty. In 5 days she will be back. Also, we authorized an EMP cannon which will arrive in 27 days, and in 7 hours we will get Elerium afterburners. Also, situation in the air is as follows. We have both our firestorms coming back in 6 days. One of them coming back in 15 hours already. And then we can shoot down the Overseer UFO, hopefully, with 2 laser cannons. They are both stationed over Asia. Alright, let's advance time.
Contact detected.
That's a large abductor, so that will initiate an abduction mission. That's fine.
Commander,
there you go.
We have multiple reports of new abductions in progress. The locations are marked on the hologlobe.
Urban large structure, a single large building that will require entry. Alright, okay. So, as always, this mission will be done mostly by my ships. This is called the SHIV Wars for a reason. So A1, B2, B3 are coming with. Okay, we have A4 Chiefs as always. A4 Chiefs is always coming with, and A5 is also available to us. There you go. Everybody is outfitted already, so we need an engineer with that. Take Mariah Kramer, why not? Who will be our scout on this mission? We have Dempsey. Oh man, I'm pretty sure Dempsey doesn't even have a hit and run. And then we have 1 open slots. Come on, give me the right slot. Yeah. And this shall be... Who shall it be? I could pick Van Dorn and Assault. But I think I'd prefer a sniper. Yeah, let's just bring Captain Nuclei. She's awesome. So, abilities on you. Yeah, you have then smoke and the repair ability. That's wonderful. You get no, not the Titan armor. Aegis armor is good enough. And you get the rifle, the only pulse rifle that we have. Smoke grenades. And snag thrower. There. You have the repair ability, so you can make use of the arc thrower. And we have a couple of smoke grenades. Wonderful. So our scouts, huge Dempsey. You get the Archangel armor, and you get your blaster rifle, you get your marksman scope as always, you get the comedian suit, and you can have the Illuminator gun sight if you want to. We could also put that on the scout, the sniper, but the sniper has the alloy bipod. You can get a scope. So Archangel armor, Colt sniper rifle, bipod, scope. Okay. I think the Illuminator gun sight would make more sense on her. But she only has 13 health, that's not too much, is it? I could also put an alloy plating on her. Okay. That's it. Do it. Let's not waste any time any longer here in the outfit
Strike 1.
window.
Prepare for landing.
Let's start the mission, guys. We have
Get ready
work
to
to
deploy.
do.
Our AO is within the continental United States.
Ah, this is the large structure.
We're still seeing
Train
dozens
station.
of reported abduction attempts coming in from cities around the world. You'll be deploying at the site of the latest report.
So, launch. Thanks, Bradford. Let's start this mission.
Central, this is Big Sky. Strike team is touching
Big
down.
Sky.
Standing by for your orders.
Roger, Big Sky. Reading you 5 by 5. Strike 1 has the green light for
5
deployment.
by 5. It's something that Face said in the Buffy the Vampire Slayer series, and nobody knew what it meant. Move over here. Oh, there we triggered something already. Big chrysalid together with floaters. And oh, actually a named floater, right? Who are you? War Master. Damn good ground, tactical sense, close encounters, zapper. Oh, I don't know. I don't like zapper. I really don't like zapper. Launch and bombard. Heat ammo. What? Well, whatever. We have to take care of chrysalid in the back. Oh, A1 doesn't even see anybody. That is unfortunate. Okay, let's bring in A5. A5 can give some holo targeting, some much needed holo targeting here. The fronts. Wait, let's see. Do they have? They don't have close combat. They don't have lightning reflexes. Well, in that case, it should be fine not to shoot at the chrysalid, right? I hope so. The other floaters are just normal floaters, right? Yes. Normal floaters. Cool. So I think I want to shoot at the guy in the back, although we only have very low chances to do so. Actually, I could try a suppression here. Yeah, let's do that. That will also apply holo targeting, and we might actually destroy his cover with this move. We didn't. Alright, but holo targeting is applied. Wonderful. Now we get a 28%. Oh, because of tactical sense is even better now. Yeah, tactical sense is going to be a huge bummer. Okay, you guys, you start flying immediately. Who are we seeing? Fly up here. 79, 58 on this one in the back. Nah. Let's just try this one here. I think that was a hit. Yep. Holo targeting is applied. And my sniper as well starts flying, and since she's a sniper, she can't really do anything after she moved, so yeah. So we need another SHIV over here in case of the close combat specialist thing here, right? And I want to shoot at this floater. Reduce the amount of guns. Yes! Excellent. Done. On Overwatch here. 90% for the chrysalid. 34 for that floater in the back. Yeah, I'm shooting at the chrysalid here in front of us. I won't let this be purely the thing for close combat specialists, so I can't shoot with my sniper. So I will steady my weapon. My engineer should hide close to my SHIVs. Like over here. I would love to throw a smoke, but chrysalid is just too risky to leave it up there. Oh, actually I can kill it. Right, that's it. What's this guy doing? Hopefully it's not throwing a grenade or something. But it's being suppressed, so that reduces the reach. It hunkers down. Awesome. Alright, we got hit for 3, that's fair. We will move closer. Hopefully not triggering anything. Where's A1? A1 is back here, right? Yeah, yeah. Alright, so we will at least do this. 1%. Yeah, it's hunkering down, so that explains it. Right? Are we getting proximity bonuses? No, not from here. So the goal still is to remove that cover by means of suppression. So let's do that. It's not happening. So holo targeting is applied. 64 and 10. Yeah, that hunkering down is just too good. There's nothing you can do about that. Do you have hit and run? Okay, let's give some holo targeting to the floater. Yeah, oh, that's actually a kill. Wonderful. Sweet. Let me check my sniper. The sniper steadied the weapon. So they're getting a 42% chance. That's not too shabby. Try. He actually hits. Nice. For 5 damage, but it will double tap. Interesting. But now it's only 20. Because we lost our... lost the steady the weapon bonus here. So we can do this now. No, we can't. Double tap doesn't allow for that. Okay, then just end the turn for you. Okay. Okay, I want to check whether or not I'm going to trigger more. No, I'm not. Excellent, excellent. Am I getting proximity bonuses here now? Yes. But I'm not still not shooting. I'm just going on Overwatch. Right, and I'm reloading on A5 because ammunition, always nice. Move up here with B2. So go on Overwatch, and last but not least, we have A4 cheats. Definitely a player here. We need a smoke over here now. Don't want to, although he's being suppressed, right? Ah, we have 6 smokes. It'll be fine. Oh. Can I get the cover? Only here though. I'm not sure that's inside the smoke. Yeah, let's move back down here. It's more safe. Alright, end the turn. Let's not use that double tap, shall we? Okay, I heard mutants somewhere. It's hunkering down again. Okay. Then we'll be most delighted to flank you. All that hunkering down for naught. 100%, 58% chance for crits. There you, whoa. Whoa. So the sniper only gets a 20% chance. That is with holo targeting, is it not? Wait, A1 was a holo targeter. Why is there no holo targeting bonus? Well, maybe that wasn't A1. No, it was B3. Alright. A5 then. Move in. You still need to do 10 damage, but I totally think you can do that. Maybe I should still just check up on the... No, the humans are just not good enough in hitting that thing. So let's just SHIV deal with this. Oh, down to 3 health now. Maybe I should try. Actually, no, we need to relocate. Yep, that's what we want to do. And who has the honor? Oh, nobody else can flank now? Maybe we will have to suppress it again. 3 health. 45%. And that's it. Nice! My SHIVs. Awesome! Okay, reloads. And I want my scout closer to the action as well.
It's killing time.
It's killing time. That it is. Alright.
On the move.
On the move. Get some nice high cover over here. Wait for cheats. Loads. That's it. So far so good. So far so good. So we need A1 to move first. A1 is the armored one. I want to go down this route. So we will take a turn until A1 was able to catch up. Okay, we will steady the weapon on you. We will reload on A5. We will reload on B3. We will reload on the sniper, but you have lock and load, so you can also steady the weapon. Awesome. So Engineer just goes on Overwatch, and since we want to move down here with the SHIVs, let's stick together, and that's all we do. Reload.
What's making that noise?
We will find out soon. Very soon. So A1, why don't you move first? Down here. No contacts. Good, good. Stay together, guys. Stay together. Move over here with A4. B3 moves over here. Everyone moved. Let's see, now the humans. Engineer can actually stay here. Yeah, we just do nothing else then. Steady the weapon. Everyone else goes on Overwatch. Next turn. Let's trigger these mutants already. I hear them in the background all the time. So A1. Ever forwards. Alright, there is a sectoid commander and 3 outsiders. Alright, that'll be interesting. So 89%, 89%, 89, and 63. Okay, the one in the front. I want to shoot them first. And apply some holo targeting. We missed an 89% chance shot. What? What? Okay, sniper now. 100% chance for this one. Oh, 197 for the sectoid commander. And we can make it a precision shot. Let's do that. Okay, hit for 7, no crit. Oh, double tap, nice. Now it's only a 67 because I steadied the weapon. Not good. Okay, we will get back to you. We'll get back to you. First the SHIVs. So A1 shoots the one in front of him. Yeah, makes sense. It's the highest chance you can get. There you go, that was actually a hit. It was a 50-50. I like. Cheats. Also a 50-50. Oh, another hit for 8. Interesting. B2 moves over here. 51, 39, and 13. Yeah, let's just kill them off if we can. Was a miss. 5 A5 moves over here. A5 actually has solo targeting, so might be an idea to shoot another one who... Yeah! Can we see solo targeting here? 49 and 49. Let's shoot the one on the back, because if we hit, we are able to do a lot of damage with the ship. Oh, this is only 4 though. Okay, back to the sniper. We will shoot at the one in the back for 100%. Ah, still not enough. What the hell is with this guy? He must have some kind of absorption ability or something. Okay, let us throw a smoke with the engineer. I'm not sure if that is far enough though. Let's just hope that it is. Alright.
Smoke. Overwatch, aye aye.
Yes, it was just so in range, just barely. So, okay, sector commander retreats. Outsider comes closer. These will regenerate a little bit. Oh, pretty close, man. You risk it to come closer. Ouch! 6 damage. So these guys are regenerating. And we have Overwatch over there. Yeah, we will clearly flank these guys. I'm thinking about maybe getting a stun in. Let's see how far can I dash. I can dash over here. Interesting. The thing is, the problem is if we hit them again, we might actually kill them. But I'm willing to try, so I'm moving. Oh, Overwatch. Okay, they missed.
That all you got?
Alright. Okay, cool. So we will try to hit the others. A1 got hit, so we better not use A1 as our frontline fighter. Does this mean I'm going to flank him? I doubt it. Let's check it out. Oh, ooh, a Mechtoid in the back. Why is it not showing though? Well, whatever. Why are we not seeing this one? Oh, we are 55. Low cover. Yeah, I'm not flanking. Should have stayed in the smoke. Let's take care of this one then. Ooh, down to 3 health. Let's see, sniper. 88%, 88, and 100%. Maybe we can do something about the guy. 4 damage only though. Let me check this guy. Why is this so low on damage? He has nothing special in that regard. You're just getting unlucky here. Okay, let's get rid of this outsider. Okay, -1. Alright, A1, I want you to suppress. Oh, we are not seeing the guy from here? What the... Oh, because there is high cover over here. Alright, so another ship has to do this. we are flanking the sector commander in the back. There's only a 58% chance to hit. No, let's suppress the outsider here. That was our goal all along. We are suppressing them. Wait, now you see him? There's some bullshit going on here. Some serious bullshitting is happening here. 64, 69. Okay. Let's shoot this guy. We missed.
That's not good.
No, it's not good. That's true. Let's try another shot here. 62. We hit for another 4. Why is it so low? The damage is really low on this one. 62 and 45. I think I want to go on Overwatch with this one. My engineer did move? Oh yeah, my engineer moved. Damn it. I thought I would have an opportunity to throw a smoke. Obviously not the case. Good that I went on Overwatch with at least one guy. He's not standing out there in the open, is he? He is. Oh god. Okay. Lots of misses. Okay, he gets a shield. That's bad. And some super mind melding going on here. Okay. Look at him running. No. Oh. Okay, he hit us for 5. That's bad. Some regeneration going on here. All right. So, next thing I want to do, engineer, let's check. Can you actually reach? Oh, don't tell me that's not close enough to stun. I think it's not close enough to stun. What is your chance to hit? 67 because I'm in the way, right? Yeah, because you're in the way. I'll move one tile away. There you go. Now you're a 100% hits. We hit for 7. Now, engineer.
On the move.
Stun for 29%. That's not good enough. I need my 57. And that means I have to shoot at them again. Let's see. Can my scouts flank? No. Oh, we are not close enough to hit the mechtoid with the scout, so we have to move. Now we are going to hit him. All right. Yeah, we have to shoot at the mechtoid with the scout because of hit and run. Oh, you don't have hit and run, right? No, you don't. All right. Makes things a little difficult. Okay, so first our SHIV situation over here. I need a SHIV with intact armor to be up front. Like over here. And shoot at the mechtoid, please. Oh, we missed an 85% chance shot. What? That's ridiculous. Well, now auto targeting is applied at least. A4 cheats. I want to use A4 cheats when the shield is gone, definitely. We need someone to take care of that shield. So I will use my weapon super cooler guys to deal with the shields. Do it, do it, do it! Yes, for 5. Look at that damage reduction. It's insane. Okay, shield's gone. Shield's gone. Now F4 can shoot. 90%. For 12 damage. Excellent. Now... yeah, I want my sniper to take care of this guy. 100% chance. Look at that kill shot. The kill cam. Awesome.
Could use some ammo over here.
Yeah, definitely. So with that kill, I will say, let's see. If these guys are the last guys. Yeah, I will make a cut here, guys, at the resolution of this mission in the next episode. So bye. See you there.